Origins of Hinduism, from the 12th of the 8th month of 1446. Until the 1700s, there was no such thing as Hinduism. Sapiential in various directions, it is known from prehistorical remains to the memorizations, sacrifice, instruction, and other rituals give way to spell-based theisms. Revealing comes through some, but most is clearly human. Authority varies, and some aspects are seen as relativisms. More is being released to approaches that are foreign. Validity is not in there being founders of religions. Philosophically jealous, there are constant revisions. More than the message can be seen in functions. They open us all up to experience and symbolism. So, what will be your setting of devotion? And some people will say that Hinduism is older than that. Hinduism is just a term for a section that excludes certain selections of regional emergences of various cults.